Prime Minister Khairala Shanana Guzmaong has called for the urgent creation of a strong and independent national development bank to support Timor-Leste's economic transformation and ensure no citizen is left behind. Speaking at a national seminar that brought together government officials, financial experts, business leaders, and civil society representatives, he emphasized that the new institution must serve as a development partner, not merely a lender.
In our region, national development banks have been used to drive economic transformation.
Underscoring that Timor-Leste is not alone in taking this path. Across the world, development banks have played a vital role in reducing inequality and building strategic sectors.
And it works alongside others, private investors, government agencies, and international partners, including multilateral institutions like the Asian Development Bank and the World Bank. You see it? The World Bank, World Bank. To share risk, mobilize capital, and increase impact. As we prepare to join ASEAN and integrate more fully with the regional economy, the need for a more competitive and resilient domestic economy becomes even more urgent. But let me be clear, the bank must be built on strong foundations. It must be financially sound, it must operate independently, and it must be governed to the highest standards. That means clear credit policies. It means independent oversight. It means protecting the institution from political interference. And it means ensuring transparency, accountability, and professionalism.
The country, he said, can learn from both the successes and mistakes of other nations. He laid out a vision for the bank that is ambitious but anchored in accountability. The Development Bank, according to the Prime Minister, will focus on sectors with long-term national impact, including food production, energy security, affordable housing, and rural infrastructure. It will work alongside private investors, government institutions, and global development partners such as the ASEAN Development Bank and the World Bank. Through strategic partnerships, the institution will be able to share risks, mobilize capital, and expand its reach.
Today's seminar is a vital opportunity to shape the concept and design of this institution. We have brought together government and development partners, financial experts, business representatives, and civil society, because we want this to be a shared effort. I encourage you to engage fully. Please share your knowledge, your experience, and your ideas to help us build something that works and something that lasts. If we get this right, the National Development Bank will unlock the potential of our people, support the private sector, and help us build an economy that reflects our values and strengthens our sovereignty. Let us establish an institution that serves our people, builds our economy, and helps secure the future we have fought so hard to achieve.
The seminar marked a crucial step in shaping the foundation of the bank, with the Prime Minister encouraging all stakeholders present to actively contribute ideas, insights, and expertise.